Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. I'm going to use this pattern. I'm going to make a blanket with it. I'm at the beginning of the blanket. It's not difficult to make, only one row. You repeat always the same row that I'm going to show you. You will have this result. This is from this side and this is from the other side. Here's the right side. This is the right side here. As I told you, it's not difficult to make. Hope that you try it. So we start with chains, and chains you make multiple of 10 plus 3. So multiples of 10 plus 3. Now we skip the first two. We go to the third one. We turn the worker. You see the chains like this? You turn it around like this. And you put the hook over there and you do a double crochet or single crochet, depends how you call it. And you do a double crochet or single crochet in each one. As you can see, this is the chain. You turn it around and you make it like this. From the back, you put the hook from the back. And you continue all the row like that, always from the back. You do that and all the chains that you have. Continue making single crochet or double crochet from the back. So now the first row is ready, as you can see, and we start the second one. We start with 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now we don't work in here, we go here and we make a treble or double crochet, depends how you call it. And those are 2. Now we skip 2, 1, 2, and we go in the third one. And we make a double treble. Double treble, you turn the thread 2 times on the hook and you go there. First you slip 2, then you slip the next 2, and then you slip the other 2. We skip 2 here. We do the same in the next one. We turn the thread 2 times. We go here. We slip 2. We slip the other 2. And we slip the next 2. Now we're going to work again on this one, the one here, and we're going to work from the back. We turn the thread 2 times again on the hook. We go there, pull up a stitch, first 2, next 2, and last 2. And we do the same in the next one here. Sorry, I made, okay. In this one here, we go from the back like this, always from the back. And we do another one, a double treble. Now, we skip again the next 2, 1, 2, and we go to this one. We turn the thread 2 times on the hook again to make a double treble. And we do another one in the next one. Now we're going to work again in these 2, but this time from the front, not from the back. So you turn the thread 2 times on the hook. You go in the first one. And you're going to make another one and the next one here. You pull up a stitch like this. And that is what you will have. As you get 2 here and 2 here. Now in the next 2 we're going to make 2 trebles or double crochet, how you call it, 1 and 2. Now we're going to do the same like we did here. So we turn the thread 2 times on the hook, we skip 1, 2, we go in the third one and we make a double treble. First 2, 2 and another 2. And we do the same in the next one. We're going to repeat what we did in the beginning. Now we're going to work in these two, but from the back. You turn it 2 times, the thread, from the back, pull up a stitch, and then you pull two at a time. We do the next one, and here, from the back, and we do the same. Now, we skip the next 2, 1, 2, we go in the third one, and we do another double treble. Another one, and the next one. Now we're going to work again in the front of these. Now in the front. From here. And we're going to do in the next one here. As you can see, you have another 2 here and 2 here. Now, in the next 2, we're going to make 2 trebles. 1 and 2. And you continue in the row like we did here. You continue the same pattern like we did here all the round. The row is ready too, and we finished with 2 trebles here. We finished with 2 trebles or double crochet. We chain 3 chains now. We start the row with 3 chains. We go in the second one and we make a treble. We're going to do like the row we did before now. Now, we skip the first 2 here and we go to the last 2. You turn the thread 2 times to make a double treble. You go here in the first one, double treble, and you go to the second one, and you make the double treble, like we did before. Another, you turn the thread 2 times, and you go in the ones we skipped here, always from the back. You go from the back, the first one from the back. That is 1. You go in the second one, always from the back. And that is the second one. Another double treble, you skip 1, 2, you go to the next 2. You make a double treble, and another double treble in the next one. Now, we're going to do the 2 that we skipped from the front now. From here. That is 1. We do the next one. And that is the second one. And as you can see, you will have something like this. It's like a cross from here, and from the other side it's like this. Now, we have to do the 2 trebles, and we make 2 trebles, 1 and 2. And we repeat what we did here. Double treble, we skip the first 2. We go to the other 2. One and 2. and 2 from the back, the ones that we skipped. That is the first one. And we'll go to the second one from the back. Always double treble here. Now, we skip the first 2 here and we go to the next 2. That is 1. And that is 2. Now we have to work the ones that we skipped. This time from the front. We go from the front. And pull up a stitch. And we're going to make the next one and the next one. And there you have another cross, as you can see. Now, we have the trebles here, and we make 2 trebles. And you continue all the row like that. As you can see, you have a cross here, 2 crosses, as you can see. And from the other side, it looks like this. You continue like that. All the rows, like these 2 rows, always like the same row. First from the back, then from the front. You always repeat these rows that I showed you. And this is the final result, how the stitch comes. As you have seen, it was not difficult to make, as I told you, always repeating that same row. I'm going to continue making a blanket with it. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.